Hi guys, now I'm going to show you how to set ringtones on Android smartphone. Lots of Android smartphone not coming with ringtone setting option. Now watch what I am doing. Go to Play Store and search ES File Manager. And choose the ES File Manager. Here I'm already installed ES File Manager, so just open it. It shows lots of options like images, music, videos, documents, etc. Just I'm clicking music, and then I'm having only one music. Now I click on it. In that it shows select the player. I am choosing ES for music player. Tapping on options, it shows set ringtone. Tap on it and it shows select ringtone for ordinary ringtone or notification or alarm. I'm selecting here ringtone. Okay, I set the ringtone, and you may select whatever ringtone you want. That's all. Thanks for watching.